Welcome back to my channel. For today's lesson, we are going to do a simple review on how to write equations using multiplication. And this is a focus in the fourth grade standard. So if you're looking for more of writing equations and algebraic expressions with all of the operations like adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing, I have a video on that linked for you in the description. But like I said, today is just going to be a quick review. So we're going to do a few problems together, and then make sure you stick around till the end so you can try our bonus question. Let's go ahead and get into it. We are writing equations for our word problem, so we're going to read the problem and then write an equation and solve. So Ethan has 9 toy cars. Mia has 5 times as many cars as Ethan. How many toy cars does Mia have? Okay, so let's start with writing out what do we know or drawing a picture for what we know. So we know that Ethan, he has a total of 9 cars. So I could draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ethan has 9 cars. But Mia, my equation is going to be for Mia because that's what I don't know. Mia has 5 times as many cars as Ethan. And so if I had this group of 9 and I wanted to do it 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, okay, we can see that we're making 5 groups of 9. And so my equation would be 5 times 9. And then we can ask ourselves, what is 5 times 9? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. 5 times 9 is 45. And so Mia has 45 cars, would be my answer to number 1. Let's go ahead and look at number 2. So we have Sam has 4 cookies and Pablo has 6 times as many cookies as Sam. How many cookies does Pablo have? So we want to know for Pablo. We already know what Sam has. Sam equals 4. She has 4 cookies, and we could draw that. She has 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now Pablo, I'm going to do in blue. Pablo has 6 times as many cookies as Sandra, which we know that she has 4. So our equation would be 6 times 4. And now what would that look like? Here's Sandra's cookies. She has 4. Well, he has that group of 4 6 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and we would make 6 groups of 4, which would tell us we have 24 cookies total. So the answer is 24. And obviously I didn't draw all of the cookies because it's going to take a while. That's why we use multiplication. So we can work smarter, not harder. And we know that 6 times 4 is 24. If I had 6 groups of 4, I would have 24 cookies total. Okay, here's our bonus question. You try it. A rabbit eats 8 carrots. A horse eats 6 times as many carrots as the rabbit. How many carrots does the horse have? Okay, so we know what the rabbit has. The rabbit has 8. Okay, we're looking for how much does the horse have? They have 6 times as many. So go ahead and write your equation and then find your total answer and make sure to leave your answer in the comment section below. Okay, here's our bonus. So hopefully you saw a pattern or recognized something similar in all of the problems we worked on today. What I'm thinking of is the word times, right? When we say that Sandy has 7 times more than, or Jenny has 6 times more the amount of cookies as Joe, or whatever it was. Times we know means that we're going to be using multiplication. And so we can make sense of those values. We just want to keep our work organized. We want to circle and highlight what the information is that the problem gives us and then make sense of that if you need to draw a picture, and then write out the equation and plug in what you know to solve. So thanks for learning with me today. We'll see you on the next lesson.